We have had such a good turnout.
Really?
Yes.
How
yes.
you feel about the new year?
Wonderful. We are so excited about our kids, and we have had great turnout. Kids, parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins. Oh, we have had a great open house.
I am so excited to just spend time with the kids and teach them to code and play with robots. It is going to be a great year in computer science.
The tiger.
You good?
I wanted to make a positive first impression and just get to know my students. I want to learn some more about them, so much more about them. So I think that was a good way to do that with the little bags, the little treats.
We're much cooler than a normal squad. We just want parents and kids to feel welcome when they're coming to open house and be excited for a new year.
We are going to have an amazing year in here.
I can't wait to meet them and excited for a new year, for fun and learning in the classroom.
Just come ready to learn.
Are you excited?
It's going to be a great year. Great year. We are growing, and we are excited to have every last one of them.